The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, this video that I'm doing is a update or a follow-up to a past video that I presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, that shows a person who goes by the name of DJ Magnum on social media, who said some things in that video that gave me the understanding that he's saying that two females who are said to be mother and daughter send a demon on him. You see me? Now, just in case if any of you, my viewers and subscribers, did not see that video that I posted, or if you do not understand what I'm talking about, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video, and when you click that link will take you to the video that I posted that shows when DJ Magnum made the allegations. You understand? Now, I'm going to present to you a edited video, or you could say pieces of videos that have been put together and put out there on social media. And according to what had been said about this edited video on social media, it is said that this video shows how a person removed a snake from DJ Magnum's body. Guess what I'm saying to you? Now, according to what had been said about this video on social media, and according to some of the things that had happened in this video, I get the understanding that it is said that this person used something that is considered to be witchcraft. Some persons call it Obeah, some persons call it voodoo, to remove the snake from DJ Magnum's body. You understand? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think, and to also keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Now, viewers and subscribers, for those who might not like to see when witchcraft is being performed or Obeah and them things there, this video is not for you, alright? And this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? Now, here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. So this is the man who then say remove the snake from DJ Magnum's body. Okay.
Cigarette.
I'm not telling you, I'm kind of uneasy look on this edited video still.
Oh God. Foot. Alright. That was. Alright, sister, and raise up your lips. But that was I just know. This foot, right? Don't take away my friend.
No, I don't know what's on for the rest.
I wonder what really and truly I go and do.
Good. Hold them. Don't press too hard, right? But you gotta keep feeling that out. Just go down. Right there. Go down. See what?
For real, what really and truly I go on here, so?
See this glass? Empty, right? Okay.
Lamb.
Look at what I'm saying.
Wow.
Wow.
Sign this.
Wow.
A record.
Wow.
You see a snake, right?
You getting it good? Make sure it.
See? It looks like it's living too. No.
You go living?
Yeah, I can't
You
move.
gotta get rid of it fast.
What?
Ooh.
Big mouse skull.
Wait, let me flash two pictures.
Viewers, subscribers. What? Like, I'm looking, yo. Viewers, subscribers. The thing that I see the person break in the video, I am assuming that's an egg, right? I am assuming that's an egg. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, it looks like an egg to me. You understand? But, anything can happen, So, me just assume says an egg. Viewers, subscribers, it's not that I don't believe, it's not that I don't believe what had happened in the video that I just presented to you, but it kinda have me thinking. May I tell you the truth? You see me? But I look at this video and I wonder what really and truly happened in this edited video. You see me? Is that really a snake that comes from out of DJ Magnum's body? See me? Did a snake really and truly come from out of DJ Magnum's body? I mean, did this person take a snake from out of DJ Magnum's body? Technically, in my point of view, you see, the thing that is claimed to be the snake that comes from out of DJ Magnum's body, you see, technically, I see where the thing came from, something that the man broke open. And I assume that something is an egg. You see me? I'm assuming. You see me? Because anything can really happen. Like, wow, yo, this not normal, yo. So therefore, it would seem as if the man used this thing to magically take it from out of the body of the person. You see me? But viewers and subscribers, and a real though, some comments made about this video on social media where, some persons are saying that this whole thing is just fake. You see me? Yeah, your persons on social media will actually believe some of the things that had been seen in this video, are this video that had been edited and put together and put out there on social media. So may I say, some persons actually believe it. You understand? And your persons out there, some comments made about this video on social media that gives me the understanding that some persons it's like they don't believe it and they will not believe it. Because each to their own opinion, viewers and subscribers, really. Look, you see, if me they actually see something like this happen from my own two eyes, not looking at no camera, no video, me say, not looking at no video. Me I talk about see it right in front of me, not on no social media, no video. You see, if I see it for myself, I would have more to have 100% belief about something like this will happen. You understand? Me not say a lie, because me not have no evidence, no proof to say a lie, but at the same time, it's like me not 100% accept what me just see in this edited video, viewers and subscribers. Like for real, a snake comes from outside of someone and this person use something that I would consider to be an egg. You understand? You see me, I said to you, this is not a joking thing really and truly, This is a big mystery to me, You understand? This is something where really and truly kind of spooky to me. You see me, I say, like, this is some real, Viewers and subscribers, and a real, let's say, if a snake, or if, according to what had been said about this edited video on social media, if a snake really and truly comes from out of the body of DJ Magnum, it no normal. It no safe. You see me? And if it really comes from out of his body, if a snake really had been taken out of his body by a man, the question we're going to ask on that is, how did that snake get into his body in the first place? What happened is like maybe eat it somehow. This no normal. Viewers, subscribers, let me know if you believe the things that had been recorded in this edited video. Let me know if you believe the things that you saw in this video that I just presented to you. And I'm talking about this edited video that I just presented to you. Let me know if you believe some of the things that have been said about this edited video on social media. Let me know if you believe or if you do not believe. You understand? Really and truly, let me just tell you what I think. You see me? I'm not saying I don't believe, but it's like I don't 100% accept it. You see me? So right about now, I would say that I'm on a 50-50 with this thing. You see me? Them say some of the times you have to be careful for what you ask for. You see me? Because maybe the day, or maybe if the day, me get to see something like this, I might not like it. Really and truly, this kind of look scary. I tell you the truth, viewers and subscribers, alright? Well, anyways, let me know what you think about this whole thing where it is said that a man take a snake from out of DJ Magnum's body. You understand? Let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers, alright? And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see? I have to go look on the video again.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, skill.